Queens, your hair is your crown. I'm Jennifer Nicole Lee, and I'm here to tell you about Superstar Hair Extensions. Right now, I have the 18s in, but if you want to add extra drama, go for the 22s. Now, a little bit about the hair. It is thick from root to tip. This is real Russian hair, double drawn, and boy, is it beautiful. Now, Kelly has mastered this. She takes the headache and the mystery out of buying extensions. You can do it all by phone. I had my hair color matched by phone. How simple is that? And here's the kicker. You would get 15% off with my discount. Yes, 15% off with code VIP15. So if you're ready to get 18 inches or 22, make sure you sign up with Kelly Kubiak. Go to her Instagram page and you can fill out the form in the link in the bio and get started today. You're gonna love your extensions.